Alright guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Apple TV 4K Wi-Fi plus Ethernet. You can see it's do more with Apple devices, Apple Hub. If you have the Home Kit app, Home app, you got it. Let's turn it over. And this one's in black. Look at it. It has a nice, good color. This matte, I'll keep this on for now. Your light, what a good thing. There's more that comes in the box. Obviously your Ethernet, your HMI cable. That goes with it. Your little Apple TV information, warranty, and that's it. You got your Apple remote. I can open it correctly. And there you go. There's for the button, your power, your everything. Your charging, which is USB-C, which is good because I have a USB cable. That's amazing. Your amazing Apple logo. Well, if you like this little unboxing, hit that subscribe button because we got more videos coming with the Apple TV soon. So, peace.